In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make tech house music in Suno AI. To get started, head over to Suno and log into your account. Once you're inside, go to the Create page and begin a new music project. This is where everything starts, and setting up a fresh project helps you focus clearly on the sound you want to build. Next, enable custom mode. This is an important part of the process because it gives you more control over the final result. Instead of relying on a general generation, custom mode lets you guide the genre, mood, vocal style, and overall production direction more precisely, which is especially useful for a style like tech house. Now it's time to describe the tech house sound you want. Tech house usually blends the groove and bounce of house music with the tighter, more minimal rhythmic feel of techno. When writing your prompt, be specific about the elements you want to hear. For example, you could describe it as a groovy tech house track with punchy kick drums, a rolling bass line, rhythmic percussion, catchy vocal chops, club-ready energy, and professional festival-quality production. The clearer your description is, the better Suno can interpret your goal. After that, choose the mood and energy of the track. Tech house can lean in a few different directions, so it helps to decide whether you want an underground club feel, a festival anthem vibe, something dark and hypnotic, something groovy and funky, or a high-energy dance floor track. A prompt like energetic tech house track with infectious groove, driving bass line, and late-night club atmosphere can help shape that direction. Then decide whether you want vocals or an instrumental. If you want a vocal track, describe minimal vocal hooks, catchy phrases, and chopped vocal samples. If you want a pure beat, simply specify instrumental only, no vocals. Keeping this clear prevents the result from going in the wrong direction. From there, add more production details that define tech house. Mention elements like a punchy 4-on-the-floor kick, a rolling bass line, percussion grooves, vocal chops, minimal synth stabs, and a club-ready arrangement. You can also describe the mix as clean and professional to encourage a polished result. Once your prompt is ready, click Generate and listen carefully to the version Suno creates. Pay attention to the groove, the bass movement, and the overall energy, then save the version that feels the strongest. If the result isn't quite right, refine the prompt by asking for a more underground vibe, a heavier bass line, more percussion, a darker atmosphere, or more festival-style energy. You can also use the extend feature to build longer drops, add breakdowns, create transitions, and shape a fuller DJ-friendly arrangement. When you're happy with the final version, save your favorite track, download the audio file, and import it into your DAW if you want to do extra editing or mixing.